My name is Tomáš Vránek, and I'm the CEO and founder of ICE Industrial Services. We are the architects behind this amazing technology of robotized production of paper packaging. We are bringing in the high-end technology from industries like electrotechnics and car industry, and thanks to cooperation with PAPACKS, we are able to shift the whole packaging industry to a completely new level. As I hear everywhere, everyone is talking about sustainability, ESG, innovations, ecology, but I think everybody sees that many times it's only a marketing, right? With these things, we are changing the world really, and I shown this dose for chewing gums to my daughter, and she is 13 years old. She was like, "Oh, Daddy, I'm so proud of you. They're really doing this. You're getting rid of the plastic packaging."
Yes, and we are really doing this. And during our collaboration together and during this very extensive, so it's really not just an exciting time. It was also, couple of years, different of companies, different of mindset. What I really see is the impact in your company, ICE and Inmaco also.
And you said it, one thing is to dream of a product, and the second thing is to find a way how to produce it. Yeah. And if you're talking about basically billions of pieces, how you produce billions of pieces. And I see a unique cooperation here with your technology, with your patented solution, with our machinery and automation. And I think also the cultural match of our companies is an important piece of the puzzle in this game. And I think you guys try to with different solutions. And a few years ago, we found each other. We did our homeworks, we did our R&Ds, and here we are standing in front of this symphony of automation and production. So thanks to that.
This is a promise for sustainability for me as CEO of PAPACKS to say we have now a solution. So I invite you all to come, to sit together, and let's change the world. This is now ready. There is no other excuse. It's ready, we have it, and let's change together the world to a better place. Thank you very much.